MikeBot here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up easy support removal in Bambu Studio. This model requires a lot of support, which can be difficult to remove and may leave scarring. To solve this, you'll need PETG and PLA. This method works with either. For this demo, I'm using PLA with PETG supports. Here's how to ensure easy support removal with minimal to no scarring. 1. Enable advanced slicing features. 2. Go to the Supports tab. 3rd, turn on normal supports and set the style to snug. 4. Find the support raft interface setting and set it to PETG, or PLA if printing in PETG. 5. Set the top and bottom Z distance to 0. 6. Change the interface pattern to rectilinear. 7. Set the top interface spacing to 0. 8. Slice, print, and enjoy easy support removal. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe.